Guys, this is me before you watch the video, because I'm actually recording this, after making it. There is an actual special hidden case here, which I didn't know about because I'm, too lazy. So in order to get this special hidden case, to open the secret case on Csgo-Skins, you click this, you get the key, click the key, and then click the golden case, and you will get to the Jubilee case. So if you want to open it, you can use the code Alexg when depositing, for some extra money, and you also participate in a bunch of giveaways. Good luck, guys, enjoy the video. Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Alexg, guys. I'm really excited today, dropping you another video. I usually do daily, but this time I just had to do an exception because Csgo-Skins has just dropped a new event, and it's their 10-year anniversary. So they are again bringing some cool stuff here where you can win skins by opening cases. They also dropped some new cases, so we will open them and do case battles with those cases, guys. Remember to use my code Alexg if you want to deposit. Just hit the activate and you receive 10% bonus to your deposit. So when you deposit, for example, $100, you will get 110 plus 20,000 party coins, which is also pretty cool. You can deposit with multiple payment methods, and also you have a chance to grab one of these items from the giveaways that I do. There is $200 worth of items being given away. All you have to do is just deposit at least $2 or $5 if you want to have a chance in getting one of those more expensive ones. So good luck with that, and we will move straight into the case battles. So yes, guys, really excited about the event. It's cool to see that they're adding some new stuff here, and this will be ongoing for a month. So this is 10-year anniversary of Csgo-Skins, which is actually pretty crazy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it, guys. Honestly, really high expectations for these cases, but we will see how it goes. So let's do a little mixing action here, one pinata, one elegant, and one pinata again. So let's go into that. Let's send it, let's send it. We have over 400 today, so the budget is definitely here. Okay, let's get it. You also get some party coins on your unboxed items, which is pretty cool. Ooh, are we cooked? Damn, we are definitely cooked. So the pinata case is paying, but unfortunately it's not paying to me. So that's not the best start, but we will definitely run this one back, I think. It's definitely worth it to run it back. So copy battle, let's go for the same one again. $70, $70 for cases. Let's see what we can do. At the end we can also spend our party coins, maybe. We'll see how much of them I have, but definitely it would be really helpful if I can get some good drops through. And yeah, that's not the best start. Moving on to the pinata, let's go with the pinata. Okay, unfortunately that's not the best drop. Elegant case, can you treat me well? No, you can't, you little okay, last chance here. That's not gonna cut it, guys. You know what, let's modify this slightly bit. Let's add something more. Let's add the golden era, maybe. Yeah, one of this, and just stick with that, I think. Freeway again, let's send it. $200, let's guys. We need to start pulling something, or otherwise it's gonna be really tough video, and I don't want it to be tough, okay? This event, I'm really excited for it, so I hope that I can make some profit here, okay? Just give me some profit, come on. Okay, decent start, but Emily also with a decent start, so okay, that's good skin, I think. No way this hyper beast is worth 200. Oh. My tongue is twisting, like, damn, 200 for this? Who pays $200 for a freaking 5/7 skin, guys? Damn, what is that? You know what? Guess what? We need to run it back. Like, at this point, we just have to. Just run it back. Let's go. Run it back, let's see. But damn, this video, guys, I mean, it is kind of ridiculous. My luck lately just isn't with me, Zero cooperation, to be fair. I mean, it's just sad at this point, but we can flip the script, maybe. Just let's flip the freaking script, guys. Come on, let's get it. We have one more elegant, then we have the pinata, and then we have the golden era. Let's go. Come on, give me a freaking factory new 5/7. Nah, I'm done, guys. I'm done for. Come on, can I get a knife? That's so rough at this point. $85 left. What is going on, guys? Damn, I'm cooked. I'm so cooked. In fact, it's just ridiculously sad. 4-way, $22. No way, guys. 5 handles gone just like that. This is beyond me. My excitement is slowly dying out, honestly. It's cool they still have event, you know, maybe you guys will be more lucky than me. I mean, it's not hard to be more lucky than me with this luck, you know, that I have lately. Yeah. Come on, just give me some profit. Just help me a little bit. Come on, Csgo-Skins, I know you can do it, okay? You proved me that you can do it many times. Just do it one more time. Just let me win something finally, please. Give me a knife hero. I don't know, like, is this good enough? No, because Emily pulls the tech line. No way. Okay, run it back because it's actually decent in a 4-way. There is some potential here. Okay, some people also joined, so that's cool. Okay, one of them left. I don't know why. That's fine. Let's just run it back. Come on. Let's go. Give me some crazy sticker or something. I don't know. Just let me start this good and then we'll be chilling. Come on. Is this good? No, it's not, I think. Is it? It's decent. Okay, it's decent. Slime case. Can you come through? No, you cannot. You little. I'm not gonna say that. Is this good? No, it's not. Come on, duck case. Can you give me some good pool? No, you cannot. Guys, what has my luck become at this point? How is that possible that I'm just losing every single battle lately? It's just honestly so sad, bro. Like, I'm just sad, you know? Honestly, I'm just sad. At least, guys, you can laugh at me and have fun while I lose my money. It's fine though. It's fine though, I don't care. Just bring the content, you know, that's my job here. That's my goal, to give you guys the content, right? Pink Panther, good luck to you, Pink. Oh, yeah, F you too. You know what? Not good luck for you, you know? You're just a little bastard. Oh, just lose this, come on. Give me the win, okay? Don't let this overconfident guy win. Come on, just give me the win and we're chilling. Can we take this one, please? Can we finally get a Dubsky here? At least once in the freaking video, man. Damn, that's criminal. I think I'm gonna start opening solo cases because oftentimes when I do these battles, I just get cooked so hard. It's crazy, and he's obviously gonna win that by throwing the FU emoji at me. What a guy, man. What a guy, bruh. Yeah, I mean, GG. It is what it is. Let's shoot a skin here. $1. It's not helping me. It's really not. 11,000 coins gets me Legend of Anubis. Let's get it. $9. Damn. I wish I could withdraw my giveaway item, but no, unfortunately I can't. Or fortunately for you guys. Well, let's go with something new again. Maybe we do. Let's do the surprise party again. Just, you know what? We're just gonna send 11 of them, and just for the end of it, we will do the sport. No, we can't. Let's do the revolution. Freeway, okay? I'm not even greedy. Can I win one battle in this flipping video, guys? For real. Just give me one singular win. I'm clicking this with my nose, guys, okay? Boom, I clicked it with my nose, believe me. I really did. Oh, come on, just give me one win, okay? Just give me one win. I'm not asking for that much, really. No way, integrally. Oh, okay. I'm chilling. I thought it's more. Okay, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. Big chilling. 9 more cases, you know, we got this. Just lock in, guys. We need to lock in, you know? We need to lock in when opening the cases. Just lock the freak in. See? That's what I'm talking about. When you lock in, you get the better drop. Just lock in, guys, okay? Lock in with me. Come on, we can do it. We can do it together. Let's go. Let's keep it going. 6 more cases. Watch the ultimate comeback of the year, guys, okay? Just watch me flip this battle into $500, okay? Just watch this, okay? Just watch the master at his work, you know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm cooked. Well. That's not gonna cut it, I think. Can we get something crazy? Is there a chance to get something crazy? We need this case to be absolutely clutch, and it's absolutely not clutch. well, unless we get a knife here or something at a crazy low percent, which obviously the bot will do, we are done for. So yeah, at least guys, I showed you the event. Remember, this is my code Alexg. Maybe we'll get some more luck with this code. Maybe you will be more lucky than me. I mean, what happened here is just, let's not talk about it, you know? Let's just not talk about it. Enjoy the event, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.